Dengue, general information, most common mosquito-borne infections, most rapidly spread, most common arbovirus found in India, causative organism, dengue virus, family Flaviviridaceae, serotype, dengue virus 1, 2, 3, 4, and recently dengue virus 5 has been found in Bangkok, in which dengue virus 2 is most dangerous. Vector, Aedes mosquito, Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, in which Aedes albopictus example is tiger mosquito. It's a daytime biter, peak at dawn and dusk. It found as cigar-shaped eggs, trans-ovarian transmission. Morphology, structure, enveloped virus, that is about 50 nanometer. Genome, positive sense, single strand RNA. Symmetry, icosahedral symmetry. Structural protein, CPRME plus non-structural protein NS1 to NS5 are been seen. Pathogenesis and transmission, mosquito breed in stagnant water, bites during daytime, which causes first infection. In second infection, risk of ADE, that is antibody dependent enhancement, also called as antigenic shift, also called as immune enhancement hypothesis, which is the second infection is more severe than that of first infection. Antibody which were against the antigen in the first infection eventually help the antigen in the second infection. Clinical features: dengue fever, high fever, break bone fever or saddleback fever, frontal headache, rashes, mucopapillar, chest and upper limb, muscle and joint pain, arthralgia and myalgia. Second one is dengue hemorrhagic fever. All features of dengue fever plus platelet count is decreased, that is less than a lakh, and platelet function is defected. This is qualitative defect, this is quantitative defect. And positive 12 liquid test, that is more than 20 spots per inch, HCT is 20%. Third one is dengue shock syndrome. All features of dengue fever and dengue hemorrhagic fever plus endothelial damage and shock features are being seen. Now the grading. The dengue fever has no grade. Symptoms are being same as told above, but the lab diagnosis is leukocytopenia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, no plasma loss is been seen. In dengue hemorrhagic fever, it is being marked as grade 1 if all the above signs are present plus positive taliquid test. The dengue hemorrhagic fever is marked as grade 2 if all the above signs are present plus spontaneous bleeding. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is marked as grade 3 if all the above signs are present plus circulatory failure has been present. Lastly, the dengue shock syndrome, which is grade 4 syndrome, caused due to the symptoms profound shock with the undetected blood pressure and pulse. Now, lab diagnosis: PCR positive from day 1 to day 7, and NS1 antigen IgM MAC analysis are been done. Treatment: suppuratives, platelet transfusion, SDAPs, fluids to correct hypovolemia. Vaccines: dengraxin works for dengue virus 1 to 4.